Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin in safe mode or Windows recovery environment to prevent other services from blocking Gpsvc. Once there, make sure you have administrative rights and a restore point in case you need to roll back. Open an elevated command prompt and confirm the system drive letter, because it can change in WinRe. Now stop any dependent services briefly and export the registry branch for Gpsvc so you can restore it if edits go wrong. This prevents permanent damage while you repair the service. Next, you load the system registry hive in Regedit and export the service's \Gpsvc key. This gives you a safe backup. Then inspect the image path and type values and verify the Gpsvc DLL path. If the DLL is missing or corrupted, replace it from a known good source or copy from the same Windows build. Once done, import a clean registry export if keys were deleted, and check dependencies like RPCSS. Make sure permissions on the key allow local service access before continuing. Finally, reboot into normal mode and immediately check Event Viewer for Gpsvc or RPC-related errors to validate the fix. Run sc query Gpsvc to confirm the service is running. If it is not, start it manually and watch error codes. If problems persist, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files or restore from your image. If nothing works, one troubleshooting tip. Boot to WinRe and use system, restore to return to a point before the issue appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.